So I'm close to Souq Waqif market. It's a beautiful tower behind me. So it's written the handicraft center. So here we're going to find a lot of knives on display, a lot of stonework, lights on display. You still have the wood frame on the buildings. That's pretty good, decent. It's pottery work with a lot of light. I have two local lights walking behind me. Nice. A lot of swords on display. People are buying. It's pretty traditional how they make. Those are the swords down there. Local children's dress. Just try to capture. There's a little mannequin laughing. So there's a local dress of Qatari. You can see here. See, there's a lot of work on traditional dress. How they make the Qatari dress. How they put on the scarf on the. Nice. She's dressing up like a big boy. The ironing, stitching, soldier's dress. Cool. Qatari man. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Qatar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome to Qatar. Nice. A lot of things here on display. This traditional pottery work, jugs and handicrafts. Ah, lovely. Oh, it's a musical instrument. It's a musical instrument. You can play it like a violin. I'm walking through. So Gulf Rana jewelry. That's the local jewelry out here. Big jewelry. Musical instrument store. So let me just take you inside this musical instrument store. It's written in Arabic. So let me show you. A lot of things to play music. So this is a dholak. So a lot of dholak work is there. That instrument. See the instruments, beautiful, very different, typical to Qatar. So they all play. So that's the local guitar. Local musical instruments of Qatar. It's pretty nice. Strings here. Nice, pretty nice. Very decent. Love this place. So you can see some traditional players playing this music. Some gullies you can walk through. So in between you'll find some stores, some doors, a lot of people waiting here. So get into the local utensil store. These are the utensils. You see those jugs, amazing, good looking. Oh, I wondered what it was. So this is like a place where you burn the camphor. The street never ends. So you can see the market. Wow. Beautiful, colorful. Amazing. You see them? Lovely. The camera isn't able to capture the true beauty of it. Lovely paintings. Traditional dress. Paintings. See that? A lot of paintings. Traditional. We'll go on the other side. See the market here. It's pretty beautiful market. So a lot of places, see, any turn you take, it's like a big bazaar of home stuff, local stuff. That's the Qatari flag. I think it's some kind of a military dress. Qatar flag. Nice. Clothes stores. Bazaar. On display, local artifacts. Beautiful Qatari artifacts. So the traditional flasks behind me in the bazaar. It's a lovely place to stand with. Qatari camel. Cafe. Epsohola Ashburg Cafe. Nice. People are already watching football as if the World Cup has already started. You can just sit outside, have a hookah. Come, have your dinner, have a hookah. Looking again through the other side of the market, again into this lovely, beautiful, yellowish market. Nice one. It's beautiful. See that market? Different place now. So, as you've seen in that mini setup, coming out into a very nice restaurant again. People are having their dinner. It's amazing. The lights, the feel, the food, the smell, the smoky flavor of grilled chicken, beef, pork, whatever they eat. I mean, it's pretty nice. Big market. Big market, very nice. So there's also a civil defense thing. A lot of people here. That's the market. You can feel the market here. It's pretty rich in culture. This is the restaurant here. You can come and sit here. It's called the Yusuf Ahmed El Gamal Square. And it's pretty nice. A lot of people sitting here, partying here, having their dinner. And this is the square. You can come and see behind me people. I can smell lovely, tasty food, grilled. So you have those little bougainvillea trees coming out of those windows. They're always like that. So there's a man here who's selling something very nice. Let's go and have what he's selling. Okay, tamarind tea. Nice. Really enjoy drinking this. Lovely market. Something little thelas like Indian street. Al Halab. The village restaurant. That's a finger. Statue of a finger behind me. I don't know what it represents, but it looks nice. You can get into various places. This is the building, a lovely building. Wow. So he's the ice cream wala, famous Persian ice cream wala. He's from Turkey. Dahi nahi? So, Sweetio Bar. So that's his bar. Sweetio Bar. He sells ice cream. There are people, some people are so happy. Huh? So he's the one who teases you with ice cream. I'm reaching. This place is awesome, guys. You need to come here. Every part is so well lit, yellowish. It looks very, very mellow and very good feeling to come here. And they're all lit with lanterns, you know. They have the bulb inside, but it has the glow similar to a lantern. It's never ending, lot of turns. This place is called Basta. So you can come and have your coffee. And with this modern outlook and normal things, you also have the traditional trunks which are still sold in the market here. So basically they encourage everything from dabbas to trunks, colorful trunks. See, those trunks are still being sold in the richest country in the world because it has got art, it has got tradition. So that's the big Qatari jug. You see the colorful trunks, you can buy them and keep them in your home. Painted well, lovely tijoris. So you can see the tijoris here, lovely. Steel box, Al Musif steel boxes. ये ट्रेडिशनल है, ये सब कहाँ बन? अच्छा, ये यहाँ का कतर का ही स्टाइल है, इंडिया का स्टाइल नहीं है।
इंडिया का सिल्वर,
ये इंडिया का है ना? This is Indian style, this is Qatari style. So these are the guys who make it. That's the layout of this place. So building, that's the bazaar. See a lot of people. See the wood still piercing out of the buildings. This place is called Souq Waqif, the market. Beautiful market. See, this is the bazaar. A lot of people here. They're selling a lot of clothes and different stuff. They are cooking something. What are you cooking? What cooking? Okay. She's going to cook some traditional Qatari dish. So that's Nutella chocolate. That's it, sir. Finished? Oh, that's how she's folding it.
One more, yes.